First, 3D PU Crystal Moroccan Peel and Stick Backsplash Wall Tile is easy to install. No professional tools are required. The DIY customer group has surged, and sales have naturally increased. Second, moisture-proof and heat-resistant 3D PU Crystal Moroccan Peel and Stick Backsplash Wall Tile is suitable for kitchen and bathroom use, meeting multifunctional decoration needs. Third, Diversified designs meet modern home decoration styles. 3D PU Crystal Moroccan Peel and Stick Backsplash Wall Tile attracts different customer groups and promotes sales growth. Fourth, high cost effectiveness. 3D PU Crystal Moroccan Peel and Stick Backsplash Wall Tile allows customers to obtain high-end decorative effects at a lower cost and increase repeat customers. Follow me and let us help you find more business opportunities.